Uh-oh, it seems like you had pirated city minis. Piracy is a serious crime according to copyright law. For more information, go to www.cityminis.com/anti-piracy. For your own safety, it is clear that you turn off your TV. You have 5 chances. You didn't listen to us again? Really, you're making us mad and you wouldn't like us when we get mad. 2 more chances. Turn off your TV.
Okay, you're really starting to get on our last nerves. I swear this is your last chance. If you don't turn off your TV in the next 5 seconds, then you're not gonna like what happens next.
That's it. You asked for this.
I'm done.